I'm Nicklas, Bylund, Manager Engineering Project for Sandvik Coromant. Some of you might wonder why Sandvik Coromant is this year in the machine hall of IMTEX here in Bangalore. It is because we are working more and more with turnkey products and total solutions. What place is better to be than here with the machine builders which we partner with?
Yes, good evening. My name is Sunil Joshi. I'm responsible for Sandvik Coromant sales in India. And of course, I've been working with the company for the last 25 years and seeing the journey for Sandvik Coromant for the past 25 years. So as all of you know that in Sandvik Coromant has been in India since 1960 and it has been a tremendous journey. As a part of, I would say, the growth journey that we have in India, we are increasing our footprint in terms of production as well as sales. At the same time, we have a new brand promise this time, which is called as Manufacturing Wellness. And after a gap of 6 years, we are participating in IMTEX with a totally new concept of an advisory booth. So over here, you see that we have all our yellow coats who can, I would say, take up discussion with customers who are thinking of investing in new machines or trying to diversify into new component solutions. And the yellow coats will certainly support them with a concept called as manufacturing wellness. So it's about 8 healthy habits that we have. It's about taking a holistic perspective, embracing new technology. Then we have eliminating waste. How can we actually upskill the industry with the training programs that we have? And as a part of our sustainability initiative as well, we are driving 3 things. One is we are having something which is called as a sustainability analyzer tool, with which we can actually give the customer how much energy savings they can give and how does it translate into the carbon footprint reduction. At the same time, we have a recycling plant in Bylund. We buy back carbide inserts of any make and we recycle them. And then, of course, it's used for manufacturing our new carbide inserts. So today, currently, 45 to 50% of our new carbide inserts are made from recycled carbide. And as a part of the sustainability initiative, we have also signed with the SBTi initiative, Science Based Targets initiative. And under that, we also have an objective of having 100% of our new carbide inserts made from recycled carbide by 2030. And we are pretty much committed to that. And of course, we are over here. It's the first day of IMTEX, welcoming our customers to this fantastic booth that we have. And we are pretty much welcoming our customers to have a look at the manufacturing wellness, the new tools that we have, the new products that we have launched. At the same time, we also have something very interesting. We have digital line machining. So wherein we are connected to our Coromant center in Pune and the customers can see the new technology which can be displayed actually online to them in our on one of the screens. And on one of the screens over here, which is behind me, we are connected to the GMO manufacturing facility wherein we are taking a lot of initiatives when it comes to, I would say, imbibing these 8 habits by us, and we practice them on every single day. And we have our colleagues joining in from GMO every day, and then you can have a Q&A with them, and we are displaying what we are doing in our GMO factory as well. So it's pretty exciting to be here at IMTEX, and we look forward to have many customers and have meaningful dialogue with them. We also have, I would say, a big project team globally, which is called as the engineering project team, and we also have Nicklas Bylund, who is the global engineering projects manager, and he will speak a lot about how can we support customers to maximize their investments and minimize the time of how they can start producing the components in the fastest possible way on their new machines. So that's very exciting, and thank you so much.